Hello friends, this is the video of A to Z Forex Training. There I will teach you everything about Forex step by step in a very easy way. If you don't understand anything, just ask me, I will help you. Okay, let's begin. Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So the calculation is a very important thing for our life. Like if you do mathematics, or if you do business, or if you want to invest somewhere, or whatever you want to do, you need some calculation. Even when we take some decision for our life that this thing is good or this thing is bad, at that time we do the calculation that okay, these things how much is good for our life and these things how much bad for our life. And when we do the calculation, and then we can take a decision that okay, these things will be good. So the calculation also is very important things for the forex. So if you do not calculate properly that this order will be profit, how much I can make profit, or how much I will lose, or how much pips I will take, and what will be my lot size, and there are lots of calculation. Maybe at the beginning you will need a calculator, but when you do enough practice, at that time you can calculate everything. And now in this video I am going to show you that how can you calculate the pips and how can you calculate the lot size, because these things is very important when you do the money management and risk management. It will be helpful for you. So in the main video, basically this is the first video regarding calculation. Maybe in the future I will make some more video, because this is the important part of the forex, the calculation, and I will make more video, but this is the first video regarding calculation. So you have to watch this video carefully and you have to understand this thing, that what I am trying to say. So now I am going to the main video, and at the end I will show you our real account profit, and you can, if you see this, you will learn something about real market. And at the end I will give you some advice. It's not like advice, I will give you some homework and you have to complete this homework. And basically if you complete everyday homework, at the end of our this course you will learn many things about forex. And you know, learning is the only way to become millionaire by forex trading. Okay, let's go to the main video. Now I'm showing you what is the pip and what is the pips. Okay, so you can see that there is a price of the euro USD. So this is after 1 there is a 5 digit, so this is the 5 decimal. Okay, so the last one, it's not important. Okay, so you have to forget about the last digit. So there is you can see the price 1.14673, so we forget about the 3. And if you see that the market goes to 67 to 68, it means market goes 1 pip up. And if market goes 66, it means market goes 1 pips down. But this 3 is not important in this market, so you have to forget about the last digit. So if someone tell you that you have to set your take profit or stop loss 10 pips, it means it will be if it is take profit, or if you want to plus 10, it means 1.4777 will be 10 pip plus. And if you want to 10 pip minus, so it will be 1.1457, it will be 10 pip minus. Okay, so pip means after dot the 4 decimal you have to count. There you can see 1467 is the 4 decimal number, so you have to calculate it that the last one you have to forget. So the 7 one is the pip, and you have to calculate it like this way. Okay, now I am telling you what is the lot size, okay, and what is the volume. So there you can see that there is a volume. So if you set 0.01, this is the lot size 0.01. It means if you open a buy order and your 1 pip move there, like you open a buy order and the market goes to 1.1468, it means you are making 10 cent profit. So 0.01 means every pip you will earn 10 cent or you will lose 10 cent. Okay, I think you understand. If you set it like 0.10, it means every pips you are making $1 profit or $1 loss. If you set it 1.00, it means every pips you are making $10 profit or $10 loss. It means if market now goes 1.1477, like 10 pips go up and you open a buy order, it means you will win $100. But if you have a small account, you have to set your volume 0.01. It means every pips, if market goes 100 pips your way, like you open a buy order and market goes 100 pips up, you will make $10 profit. So every pips you will make 10 cent profit or 10 cent loss. So this is the volume. So I think you also understand how to calculate the pips. Okay, so even another thing, if you set it 0.05, it means every pips you will win 50 cents profit or loss. If you set 0.10, it means every pips you are win $1 or lose $1. So this is the way you have to calculate the lot size and the pips and all the things. This is very important things. If you don't understand, watch this video 2 or 3 times, because the whole life, if you want to trade, you have to understand that how many pips you are taking and how many pips you are losing, everything. So this is very important things. Now I'm going to show you our real account trade. So there we trade in the USD JPY and we make $2,700 profit, and you can see that this is the real account. If you want to learn our trading strategies and all the trading system, you can join to my live Skype online class. Learning is a very important investment for every business. If you can learn forex properly, you can earn unlimited money from this. So if you want, you can join to my live personal Skype class. If you join this class, I will teach you everything about forex and you will be a profitable, successful and expert forex trader. There you can ask me any question and you can practice with me. When you will practice in demo, I will check the trade and I will find your all mistake and I will solve your all mistake. By this way, within short time you will be a good trader. Every month I will take only 3 students, because it's not a group class, it's a personal class. If you join my class, then it will be my responsibility to make you a successful trader. For more details, you can check the video details or visit our website. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. Now I'm giving you a homework that you have to watch this video. The video title is Be a Millionaire, Is It Possible by Forex Trading. So I hope you will watch this video, because now you are in the beginning stage. So at the beginning stage, you have to know that what you can expect from this market and what kind of things you can get from this market, and if you want, then what you need to do. So in that case, you have to watch this video. So if you watch this video, then you will understand that what you can get from this market. So you will get this video link in the video details or that homework, and there you will get this link and click there and watch this video. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also, if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.